Dear students, welcome back to Social Science class. Today we will discuss about chapter 12, India and its neighbors, question and answers, part 5. Students, just take one paper and find out the answers of the following. First one, fill in the blanks. India has dash neighboring countries. Second, dash is to the northwest of India. Third one, dash is a small island country to the southeast of India. Fourth one, the currency of Bangladesh is Bangladeshi dash. Next, the official language of Myanmar is dash. Students, find out the answers of this. Now we can move to the answers. First one, answer is H. The next answer is Pakistan. Third answer is Sri Lanka. Fourth answer is Dhaka. Fifth answer is Burmese. Students, I think you got the answers, question and answers. Now fill in the blanks. Next, we are moving to take the right answers of the following. First one, Pakistan came into existence in. The capital of Afghanistan is. China is to the dash of India. The language of Bhutan is. The currency of Myanmar is. We can go through the answers. Before that, you can just go through the answers you know and find out. The first answer, question answer is 1947. Second answer is Kabul. Third answer is North. Fourth answer is Zonka. Fifth answer is Kyash. Students, go through the chapters and you can find it. Students, now we are moving to section C. Match the following. First one, Pakistan. Second, Bangladesh. Third, China. Fourth, Sri Lanka. Fifth, Bhutan. Sixth, Myanmar. Answer is first one, Islamabad. Second, Dhaka. Third, Beijing. Fourth, Colombo. Fifth, Thimphu. 6. Naypyidaw. Students, now we are moving to section D. Answer the following. First question. Name the countries which are our neighbors. Answer is, we know that Pakistan, Sri Lanka, China, Nepal, Afghanistan, Bangladesh, Bhutan and Myanmar. The second question is, what does SAARC stand for? What is the full form of SAARC? Answer is South Asian Association for Regional Cooperation. Question number 3. What is the official capital of Nepal? Also name is official language and currency. The capital of Nepal is Kathmandu and the language is Nepali. Students, now we are moving to next question. Fourth, which of the neighboring countries has the highest population and which has the lowest? Answer is highest population China and lowest population Bhutan. Next question. Fifth, which of our neighboring countries has the largest area and which has the lowest? Answer is largest area China and the lowest Bhutan. Students, you can write the question and answers in your copies and you can learn it. All the best for your studies. Thank you all.